Namaskar, I Rakesh Shah from Maka Senior Secondary School. In this Vikasit Bharat Marathon, we are here and our topic is Vocal for Local. We are using this rice straw, leftover product of after cultivating rice. This leftover rice husk is used in many things such as we use that same rice husk in making this mat which is used for sitting, and it's made from that same rice husk leftover. So pause it. And you can see there rice husk is carefully been selected and given carefully, and this the same rice husk is being framed in this thread. Pause the recording. Pause. We use that same rice husk to make sitting equipments like this. This is in the phase of being made, and after it's complete, it will look something like this. It is completely ready to use. Only the thing left is to build here. After this is made, we can use in sitting equipments. We use it like this. Its main purpose is for sitting, and we can use it for sitting in floor too. And with that same rice husk, we also and it is
making.
And they are also making this. We can make this small scale production into large scale as and promoting business ideas too. We also use this corn husks to make many items such as that cushion over there. It is also used for sitting. It is made completely from corn husks, and we have another sample too. It is also used in sitting and corn husks is also used for making decorative items such as this. This can be pasted on wall as a home decoration. It can be also used to keep the cup sets over here. And we have another item. This is a traditional symbol of Bhutia, a traditional symbol of Subhas, which they wear as a badge as to honor their gods and beliefs. We have one more ornament. This is used specially for chief guests, which they support local for vocal. This is an badge which is completely made from waste materials. This is also this is also a stool which will be further made into something like this. It will be also used for sitting and decorational purposes. Thank you.